So as you know, Forrester administers surveys, and this is from our data survey that we administered, asking data professionals about their strengths and weaknesses and challenges with managing data. And what we found through this graphic is the gap between a data strategy intent and commitment will slow data ROI. So the responders to this particular question recognize that data as a strategic capability and a contributor to strategic planning, showing that they appreciate the data in the business, but the difficulty in capitalizing these aspirations is apparent from the mediocrity of the results of this data. So what's the problem? First is funding. Difficulty is the smoking gun. The ability to fund data strategies is an afterthought on the list of priorities and a challenge for execution. And it shows that data due diligence is lacking. Second is data strategy and business strategy misalignment is a huge barrier. So low scores on alignment demonstrate that data strategies are orientated towards technology and IT agendas, and not really orientated towards how data can be a strategic asset to moving the business. And then finally, in terms of identifying the problem of using data and how that will slow ROI, is that collaboration is a missing link to success. So collaboration across business stakeholders and data professionals is mandatory for insights-driven success. Business stakeholders that participate in defining the opportunities for data and linking those opportunities to tangible business results ensure that data investment is right-sized and strategic plan. So not only will collaboration align data and strategy, but it will also lift operational processes. So that is really integral and important to understanding, to using data as that strategic asset and to actually use it so it won't slow data ROI. Now, when it comes to data, speed matters. In the same survey, we asked about the process of data, and what we found was that data professionals recognize that they need to develop processes to keep pace with changing business conditions and adapt to new business needs. The gap exists in both priority and effectiveness by addressing the changing processes that will meet these aspirations. And traditional habits need to give way because federated processes connect data management with business operations. And in general, speed matters, right? Businesses can't wait for data activation when revenue is on the line. So data management teams that can apply agile development processes to bring data online for applications and mobile use cases, as an example, will enable data to drive the business. So a little high-level insights in terms of the importance of data and why speed matters. And ultimately, I think what I took from these two data points in general and applying it to marketers is that marketers really need to prioritize the quality of their data to make sure it's complete, it's accurate, it's relevant, it's contextually relevant, and it's timely, because that will directly impact not only the performance insights of what had happened with your marketing and media in the past, and it will also inform your future investment strategy.